Hi friends. In today's video, I want to at least get items out of my backyard to the dump, like my dry rotted chairs, my old grill, and just kind of level out the ground, put this down where the shed will be, and then start building the shed. How much will get done, we don't know, but we're gonna try. Try. So, I'm going to go grab the chairs. Should I bring them through the house and take them out the front door to make it a shorter trip? I think I will. Okay. So, let's go outside. I also want to take the pieces out of the box for the shed. So, I think I'll get rid of the others. Because I could just make one trip with all the trash. We're going to take it out of the box. All right, let me go get my cutter and we'll go outside. So that wood, the grill, those chairs, that chair, that mat, and the box from that need to all go. So I'm going to take the stuff off the box, take the box off, and put that over there. So we can take all the trash once. That'll be fine. So scary, isn't it? Alright, here's where I am on the shed. I had my neighbor come over and hold up panels as I screwed them in. So there's screws down there. And up there. So I'm probably going to move it off this wood. This is going to be annoying. I'll just move it on the ground and pull the tarp to the inside and up the walls. But that's it so far. She doesn't care to be on camera, so we're going to give you another shot when it's done. Just have a few more panels, the roof, and supports. Garden check. It's been a very rainy season, so I think a lot of this is just getting overwatered. But this lettuce looks fabulous. I need to harvest this one. It looks like it's ready, I would guess. How do you know? When it closes like that, we don't know. Is that what spinach is supposed to do? We don't know. Here's my outdoor unit that I forgot. Well, I had footage. It was weird. I don't know what happened. Anyway, this is my outdoor unit. It's almost as tall as me. It has a fabulous stability thing, tray. Super excited. They knocked off my cover, so they gave me a whole new one. Yay. So the backyard is coming together. We're going to get the shed done, clean up the yard, harvest the garden, put these back by the doors, and it'll be a nice little oasis out here. Alright, so there is a bit of cleaning still to do, but I just wanted to show you. Where's the shed? Oh wait, we moved it. Why'd you move it? Because right there and right there is where I hang my movie screen. So I sit out here and watch a movie on a big 100-inch screen. Not bougie at all. So I have to clean the yard, put the things away. What? Let's go inside. We have put down tarp because we don't like bugs and we're not going to deal with it. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. So yeah, this is about 5 feet wide by 3 feet. 5 feet long, 3 feet wide. 6 feet tall with a slanted roof so that the water will just run off. I have a lot of these screw ends here that are sticking out. I have 80 caps that I get to go around and put on these now. Well, we're not going to do that together. I'll spare you with that, but yes, that's nice to see it. Then I'll take these parts. Hold on, because we had to maneuver it a little bit. Hold, please. There we go. And then you have this little part right here. You can put a lock on it. And then, if you are feeling like peeling, you can come through. Let's see if I can find a piece. It's easy to get to. Right here. and you can peel off. This is covering the whole thing. Okay? I'm just going to pretty much leave it on because I don't feel like peeling it. 2 hours last night, 2 hours tonight. We're done. That's the shed. It's so pretty. I might have a second one coming because I keep getting these emails from Target saying it's now set to be delivered. So if I get a second one, I'm building it right here beside it. And we're going to have two. What will we put in both of them? Outdoor decor for one, and don't know. Okay. Time to clean up the yard. Are you a beautiful boy? Did I what? Alright everyone, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't, please hit subscribe. I love gaining new friends. And until the next one, I'll see you then. Bye.